Hello there, angels, friends. It's me again. Once again, it's Peachy, Peach's Peach, or Uhi-misama. I'm not gonna mention my real name because I'm not comfortable using it right now. But it's an American name. So ano bang topic? It's about, lending shop or loaning money from the loan apps. So it's just really weird kasi may mga bagay kasi sa mundo na it's really difficult to explain. Hindi mo naman sinasadyang manloko or whatsoever. Pero paano kung yung Maya? Maya kasi it's an application para siyang GCash. So they sent something on me na nag-loan daw ako ng 35,000 pesos but I didn't receive anything and wala talagang pumasok dun sa GCash ko. So someone called me from the past days, but I do have an existing loans on other apps like Tala, Credit Peso, Lazada, and the Mocha Mocha. Mocha Mocha, they are so nice. They are very calm on requesting me to pay for the loan. But unfortunately, what am I gonna do if I don't have an available cash right now? I'm expecting something, but then something happened. It's something personal. And then yung job ko in teleperformance is just really weird that I thought it will be started from the last week from the past weeks. And then they changed the schedule. And then it's just really weird if, I'm on the block list of people na hindi makakapasok ng workforce. So I told the Mocha Mocha, I'm really scared. I'm scared. I'm panicking. I really don't know what to do, but I really want to solve this on my own. Why on my own? Because I know it's my negligence. It's my negligence na nag-loan nga ako and I couldn't pay even a small amount nung due date ko from the past days. And I keep on saying, sorry, if I can't really give any payment for now. And if ever matapos in terms of a payment, I think I have to reach to a company lawyer. And then the agent of the Mocha Mocha told me, I didn't say anything bad on you, ma'am. I don't think so na makakaabot pa to doon sa lawyer thing. But I told her kasi it's only the lawyer can comprehend everything. Only the lawyer can solve this particular puzzle that I'm facing. But I know, I'm so sorry to Tala, to Credit Peso, to Mocha Mocha and Lazada. I know it's my negligence. It's my responsibility to pay you. But for now, I'm so sorry, guys. Talagang, sincerely, I don't have any available cash right now with me. I was expecting a money, pero talagang something happened. And the relationship with the family were not in good terms, all of us here. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung paano ko mababayaran ng loan ko. And, there are some good friends who back me up these days. Kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, why I can't get a job? First, I'm a college graduate. I'm not stupid. I'm a biology graduate. Sabi ko, hindi naman porket hindi ako nakapag-doctor, hindi na ako mapapansin. People or a company can get me in dahil hindi ako doctor. No. Being a biology graduate means you can still work. Company can still take you in, and I'm just really wondering why for 17 years, there are so many mysteries that are happening here in the island of the Philippines having a wild pets. Nabanggit ko rin siya kay Miel, on the Mocha Mocha. Sabi ko kasi, Miel, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. Hindi ko naman talaga sinasadya, diba? Parang, sino naman ang may gusto na magkaroon ng bad image? Anyone who has a sane mind, who would wanted to have this kind of image na hindi ka na makapay back, hindi ka na makapag-pay ng loans mo or borrowed money mo on the loan apps, lending shop, or any person na nahiraman mo? Of course, no one, diba? So, I am really saying my sorry to Tala-Tala, to Credit Cash, to Mocha Mocha, to Lazada. Lazada kasi I still have more time until next month. I just want to say sorry to Credit Peso and Mocha Mocha. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't mean to really be irresponsible because I couldn't pay for my installment amount. Hindi ko naman din talaga sinasadya. I was just really expecting a money, pero something happened. And then I am waiting for my job in teleperformance. So I'm still waiting for the day na makapag-start ako. But you know, there are some private talk kasi kung paano makuha yung salary. I am just really, what you call this? I have a mix-up emotion. I'm really sorry. Talagang kung hindi ko mabayaran yung mga utang ko dun sa mga loan apps na yun, I think I need the free lawyers. Sabi naman ni Niel ng Mocha Mocha, ma'am, I don't think so. Nakailangan pa ng lawyers. Kasi mapapagastos ka pa. No, we have free lawyers here in the Philippines. So I'm calling out the lawyers of the Philippines, of this island. I'm calling out on you guys to please help me. I am Uhini Sama. Code name mo na ibibigay ko. I am Uhini Sama, Peaches Speech. I'm a college graduate of De La Salle University. I finished BS Biology batch 2004. I am really sorry, but I am really asking a free help if ever time will come that I will reach the end terms of my payment on all loan apps na nahiraman ko ng money and wala talaga akong maibigay. Please help me. I badly need help and I need a lawyer. Kasi a lawyer can only comprehend. He will not judge me, of course, in times of this. They will really understand whatever it is that I am experiencing right now. Na bakit tong tao to, college graduate, hindi makapasok? Parang natatanggal ka ng workforce. Na parang I had to have the feeling na I'm on a blacklisted. Na I couldn't just really understand. So for Mocha Mocha, Miel, I am so sorry. It's really coming from my heart. I am not expecting this to happen, and I am saying I am not planning anything. And of course, I don't want to have a bad image, but I hope Mocha Mocha. I hope if the time comes na I can't really pay for that, I hope someone can help me, a lawyer, a free lawyers here in the Philippines. I just need something, you know, a helping hand and to talk it out. This on a closed door room, on a closed door meeting. So, yeah, don't be judgmental. Yun sa mga tao dyan na mga well-off until now, because before we were really well-off, we were wealthy. I can really say I was really spoiled. Diba, shinare ko naman on my previous video, I was spoiled. We had a business before yung karaoke bar. That's why I was really pampered and spoiled. I could buy anything, yung mga gusto ko. I could spend, you know, an extraordinary amount of money before, during my high school days until I finished my college. It's just that these days, we're really on a tight budgeting and, you know, something happened in the family and nobody's perfect and no family is perfect as well. So, ang main idea or the main topic for this afternoon, don't judge people like me na nanghiram and I wasn't able to pay on time. Of course, I didn't mean that. I know it is my negligence. I'm so sorry, I'm so scared. And I just want to say, dun sa Credit Peso, they sent me a lot of foul words na talagang it's really painful in my part na bastos ka, hindi ka nakapagbayad, ganito. But you know what, guys? If you will just analyze, I loaned for 2,000. Ito yung kwento sa Credit Peso. I borrowed 2,000 pesos and they just gave me 1,450. And I got the money last 18th of this June and then they wanted me to return the money that I loaned for 2,000 which I got only for 1,450 for about a week. na they put an interest around 1,138. So it's just really weird. But on their apps, they posted there na they will give their clients a 0.02% that's supposed to be for a week. If you borrowed from Credit Peso of 2,000, you will just return them if you will need to return that in a week plus 280 pesos lang supposed to be, but more than 1,000 pa yung binilagay nilang interest. So don't judge people who are in the middle of this kind of a rough road. So I badly need help. I badly need free lawyers just in case my payment terms will be ended, and I can't really produce anything to pay for it. I hope there are people who can help me, and there are most especially lawyers. I badly need you guys. Please reach out. If time comes that I badly need help just to defend myself, and I know you can back me up here, and I know we are both college graduate people who are educated. We are willing to help each other, and I hope you guys are willing to lift me up. Most especially these days na I'm a person with pride and dignity, and it's just happened that this thing is happening on me, and sometimes we can't just really avoid some obstacles in life. So thank you so much. Don't judge people who borrowed money that they can't pay. Think of something na baka there is something is happening. There is a mystery in the world that is so difficult to explain. Always pray to God and show to other people how sincere you are on showing yourself. And I don't have any guilty emotion. It's just that I know it is my negligence. What can I do? I really don't have money as of now. I can't really pay for my loan. So that's me. So I hope you guys understand. And let's just be decent. If time comes na I have to face a court or a trial because of me can't pay my loans, I hope Lazada, Pala, Credit Peso, and that Mocha, I hope we can be decent, solving this mystery or this problem. And for the call center, I hope I'm not on a blacklist. Or na blacklisted ba ako? I hope not. I bet I need a job and I'm still waiting for the teleperformance schedule for our reporting today. I hope in a little while. Thank you so much, Angels, and there are so many issues to talk about. And the main thing here is be a good Samaritan. If you can help. Don't judge. Stop bashing people like me these days, because nobody wants to be on my shoe right now. But if you will just put yourself on my shoe, how would you feel na you don't want to have a bad image, of course. You don't want to borrow money, but you need money. And, this is normal because we are all people. Something happened, Wimplo, mystery, and there's a lot of mystery and puzzle in this world that it's so difficult to understand. But of course, I'm always praying to God, God, please help me. If I have friends out there and yung mga abogado or lawyers, I hope you guys can back me up about this issue. Thank you so much.